For best system functionality, Registration Max, the vendor of 4-H Online 2.0 recommends the use of Chrome and Firefox browsers. Log in by entering your email and password, then click Sign In. If you are a new member and your name is not yet listed in the family member list, click Add Member and follow the steps. If you are returning, click Continue Enrollment or Enroll Now. In 2.0, Unit has replaced the word Club. Read the page message. On many page messages, there are hyperlinks. To open a hyperlink in another tab or window, right-click on the hyperlink and choose how you would like to open it. This example opens the Family Enrollment Guide. Use the bookmarks to navigate to the area that you need to see to continue with enrollment. You will also notice the invoice amount will show $0. UC-ANR is not able to collect enrollment fee payments through 4-H Online 2.0. You will work with your unit leader and local 4-H county office to pay your enrollment fees. To proceed, click Select Units. Select the county in which your unit is located. Choose Youth Volunteer Role if appropriate. Click Add next to the unit you would like to join. Repeat these steps to add all units in which you would like to participate. Your local 4-H county office has a list of current units available for enrollment. If you have enrolled in more than one unit, be sure the primary unit is marked correctly. If not, click the Change Primary button to mark a different unit as your primary unit. Click the trash icon to remove a unit from your list. Once all your units have been added, click Next at the bottom of the screen. Read the project's page message. Remember, you can open hyperlinks by right-clicking and choosing to do so in a new tab or window. To continue enrollment, click Select Projects at the bottom of the screen. Select the unit with which you want your project to be associated. Click the Select button next to the project you want to add to the member's enrollment. Select the youth volunteer type, if appropriate, and click Add. Repeat these steps for each project in which you would like to participate. Enrollment must have at least one project selected before it can be submitted. You may only select from projects listed under the units that are part of your enrollment. If you need to add another unit to your enrollment, click the Back button at the bottom of the page. Click the trash icon to remove a project from your list. Once all the members' projects have been added, click Next. Read the page message. The following pages have information that have been previously entered. Take this opportunity to edit and reconfirm this information for accuracy. To continue, click Show Questions. Review information entered in the About You, Demographics, and Emergency Contact sections for accuracy. Remember, emergency contact should be someone other than the parent or guardian. Enter the remaining required fields. To enter the school information, you can choose the county, school district, and school from drop-down menus. Or if you're unable to locate your school, click here and enter the school name and school type. If this member has a family member serving in military service, select the appropriate response, the branch of service, and the branch component. If they do not, select No one in my family serving in the military. Answer the remaining required questions. If your monthly household cash income is at or below 185% of the federal poverty guidelines, you can apply for a reduction waiver for your 4-H program fees. You'll need to contact your county office regarding the request for a waiver. If you meet this requirement, click here. If you do not, leave this unchecked. Review the text about the information that's being requested for this youth member's enrollment. Once you have reviewed this text, click Next. Read the page message. For youth members, all questions on the next page are required and must be answered to proceed with enrollment. Click Show Health Form to continue. When Yes is marked for several questions on the health form, a text box will appear to enter the details. Answer all required questions. Enter the member's legal last name and legal first name. This may be different than your lived or preferred names. Read the vaccination notice from California 4-H Youth Development Program. Continue to respond to the remarks section. Review the youth medical release. You can download a copy of this authorization by right-clicking and choosing to open in a new tab or window. Click the appropriate radio button and enter the member's name, the parent guardian name, and click Next. Read the page message. In 2.0, consents have replaced authorizations. To continue enrollment, click Show Consents. Complete all consents shown on the screen. To download, right-click and choose to open in a new tab or window. Click the appropriate radio button and enter the member's name and the parent guardian's name. You must agree to some consents to proceed with enrollment. If you have questions regarding a particular consent, contact your local 4-H county office. Click Next at the bottom of the page when you are finished. Review the enrollment information. If anything appears incorrect, use the back button at the bottom of the page to go to that section to make corrections. Once you've verified that all the units and projects are listed correctly, click Submit. You will receive an email to let you know your enrollment has been submitted.